Hey guys, welcome to my vlog today. Jeez, it has been a minute since I vlogged, but I thought I would take you with me today. I just came from the gym. That's why I look like a 12-year-old girl with like my little curly shoes. Anyways, I'm making a big change with my hair today and I'm quite excited. So I thought, let me take you guys with me so I can share this big moment with you.
I always feel so stupid when I sit here because look at me. But we're just touching up the roots right now and we took out the extensions and yeah, just getting that blonde fixed and ready for what's about to come. Some fresh roots.
My heart is like racing, but I've been thinking about this for like 3 months and I want something that's just like easy and quick to style. So we're doing it now, Sneh. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm in love with it. I really love it. Just like it like goes down a little bit and it's quite like short at the back, but not too short because I can still put it up. It's also not styled completely because you can see these ends need a bit of straightening. Load shedding kicked in while Janine was busy straightening the back, so we couldn't finish it. I was like, no, I'll go to my studio and then I'll just like straighten these little pieces. So I got here and there's also no power here. Anyways, I absolutely love it. I just think it's so nice to manage. I can still wear it up and yeah, I wanted something more age appropriate, even though I don't like to say that because I mean I don't look a day over 21. My main thing with the long hair was that I never had time to style it. My diary is getting super busy and you know, sometimes I'll have like an hour to film something but then my hair's not done, so then I'll just be like, oh, I'm not even gonna bother because if I do my hair it takes me almost an hour. So in the past I used to go to a salon on a weekly basis to get my hair blow waved and it worked, but also now with training and everything, you know, you get like these little curly bits. You guys saw that this morning. So I feel with this hair I can just easily manage it and obviously film more content for you guys. So that is my new hairstyle that I just really wanted to share with you guys. I would love to know what you think of it in the comment section. Please be nice. And then yeah, I'll chat to you guys soon. Stay sweet.